We are pleased to show you 2012 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: cruise control, child-proof rear door locks, rear window defroster, power brakes, daytime running lights, chrome rear bumper, smart stop technology, power sliding rear window, mud guards, front tow hooks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.